You've had some bumps along the way, some big bumps along the way. I think kudos to you, John, for picking yourself up, brushing yourself off, and taking the time that you needed too. Like I think often we just sort of live very sort of reactively, right? And we're just bouncing from thing to thing. But kudos to you for taking time off and pressing pause, telling yourself, hey, self, need to recalibrate here, need to reposition yourself and figure out what you want to do when you grow up. So it sounds like you found a lot of purpose through that pain. So
It really has been this baptism by fire.
mm,
57, I am more fulfilled right now than at any other time in my entire professional career.
wow.
So we went down to Salem, right? Salem is the capital of Oregon. We went down to Salem yesterday. There is a group of 100 of us spearheaded by Habitat for Humanity. And we went down with a specific goal. We talked to 3 legislators and a senator with the specific goal of working on affordable housing, getting down payment assistance programs funded, getting the condo reform laws taken care of. Yeah, I am wildly passionate about solving this problem because I know that there's other people. I mean, there's 5,000 people in the Portland area that are specifically working on affordable housing. Little known fact, your audience probably don't know, 50 million apartments in the US. 5.2 million are subsidized housing paid for by HUD or some other organization. 1 out of 8, 1 out of 9 apartments in this country are subsidized.
Interesting. I did not know that.
Nonprofit housing is $1 trillion. It's
Wow.
a very, very big number. People don't really get the power of these nonprofits. The one that we work with owns $500 million worth of assets, and that's just in Portland, right? I'm guessing the Seattle Housing Authority is 3 or 4 times that much.
Yep, certainly. Yeah, for sure. Yeah.